Hi there, AI researchers. Welcome to How to AI in 4 Minutes. DALL-E version 3 is here, and we'll be looking at how to get it for free. And towards the end of this video, we'll be looking at a comparison between version 2 and version 3. There's quite an improvement. To access DALL-E 3 for free, you have to use the Microsoft Edge browser or Microsoft Bing, or just go to bing.com/images. The sample images are looking great compared to version 2. This is way better. You may not notice a difference until you compare them with older images generated with the same prompt, which we'll be doing soon. DALL-E 3 is also supposed to be great with text as well. Let's type a prompt for a photorealistic portrait of a beautiful 24-year woman with pink hair in the portrait photography style. Without too much prompting and negative prompting, it gave us some pretty decent images. I mean, without giving it much information. I mean, look at the eyes, really good. Now let's compare images of the previous version 2 and the latest version 3. This is a generation of a photorealistic image of a royal human-looking Anunnaki being in ancient Mesopotamia with version 3. Let's compare that with the previous generations using version 2. You can see there's a huge difference in quality. Version 3 looks 2 times better, if not more. Now let's try another image. A photorealistic image of the Egyptian god Thoth with a bird's head. It messed the others, but the one with the bird head is awesome compared to the older version 2. You can play with DALL-E version 3 for free on the Microsoft Bing website. Links in the description. For more informative videos like this, remember to like and subscribe to stay updated with the latest AI tools.